Fit cabin air filter check. Open the glove box, pull the glove box this way, and you're gonna need to pull this piece around the glove box here. That's what's holding it up. And you're gonna do the same on this side. Alright. Then you'll be able to lower it. Once you get it lowered, cabin filter is located in this compartment right here. And what you're going to do is on this side, all you can do is push this in, push this one in, and the cover will come off, and there's your filter right there. Yeah, my Fit has low miles, so I'm just checking this one, but you can pull it right out. It's pretty clean because there's almost no miles on it, but if you need to get one, I'll leave a link down in the description box for you where you get some of these filters if you want one. So you can pull it out. Takes up pretty good. Let's put your new one back in there if you got a new one. Okay. All you gotta do is close the glove box and you're good to go. That's it.